So when I first met Devesh, it was in the college canteen in ACJ, and I kept thinking. Um, I confused him with this another classmate Tito because he was called Dave, and that day Tito broke his leg, and I heard the news that Dave met with an accident and Dave broke his leg. It was like, what the hell? I just spoke to him 2 hours ago. I was just hanging out with him. That's so sad he broke his leg. So that was my first interaction slash impression of Devesh, that this is the guy who I just met 2 hours ago and now he is at home with a broken leg. Then one memorable incident with him would be the time when he heard that uh, our friend Harini, who he had a major thing for, was hanging out with me at this mall called City Center in Madras, and he heard that she's going to be there, and I think he bunked class, and I think he was supposed to go back to Kodambaka, which was really far away, and he took a detour and came all the way to City Center thinking he'll like have his chance to get lucky with her. I think that was fun, and like obviously it totally like crashed and burned and nothing came of it. But yeah, that was a fun incident of him that I remember. There's no incident where Devesh irritated me the most, but one habit was his. Well, I think there were these two really disgusting T-shirts that he used to wear in college, and I cannot tell you how bad those T-shirts were. Like how filthy and how ugh. Like so by the end of the year, because he had refused to give it up, we decided if he doesn't throw it away, we're going to burn them in a pile. But I think he finally got rid of it by the end of the year. So yeah, that's good enough for us. Uh, One thing I love about Devesh is that he loves his friends so much. Um, he has this unique relationship to share with each and every one of his friends, and he's one of those people who give a lot of importance to friendship, and he's always there for you whenever you need him, uh, whether you want to just talk to him about something, whether I give him a call in the evening and say, hey, listen, I'm going to be in Delhi airport at like 11:30 in the night. Can you come pick me up? And he'll be there, and we'll go hang out in the CCD opposite Taj. And basically, like, he is what makes a true friend. Like I said, he's always there for you, always, whenever you need him. Uh, the birthday message for you is obviously be get more drunk than you've ever been this year, get more action than you have ever gotten in your life, and have lots of fun doing what you do. And we love you. If I had to make a movie on him, I think it would either be Three Idiots or um, Sholay, because again, like I said, I associate friendship with him. So I think it would be either of those two movies. I don't remember a movie dialogue that he kept borrowing on me. I really don't. So I don't have an answer to that. Also, one thing I love about him, like I said earlier, is how he values friendship. And one joke that he cracked and I didn't laugh. Um, I really don't remember because it was a mixture, like half his jokes would be so bad that you don't laugh, and hence it's not memorable at all. So some of his jokes were good enough. So again, I don't remember any specific one to like tell you. um, one song that I'd like to dedicate to him, I'm pretty sure he hasn't heard this song, um, but I think he should. It's a new Tamil song. I don't even know whether he heard any Tamil song while he was in Chennai, but this is something I think you should totally check out, Devesh. It's called Otta Solala, and like OTHASOLA from this movie called Adu Kalam, which has Dhanush in it. It's the song is about a girl saying yes to a guy, and then how he like dances because he's like really really happy. You should totally check it out. It's an awesome song. And I guess that will be it. Uh, for extra, I mean, um, okay, you'll have to like edit this bit because I uh, stumbled a lot. Um, but yeah, apart from the regular questions, I think you should come down to Chennai soon. I have an Activa now, so I can like take you around the city and we can go visit all the old places. And Chennai's changed a lot since we were in ACJ, and it'll be a lot of fun to like have you guys here. I keep saying this to Zippo as well, and I think you should come down. And if you don't, I keep coming to Delhi and seeing you anyway. And I hope you have an amazing, amazing, amazing birthday. I love you. Bye.